I'm here to taste vegan food so you don't have to. For those who don't know me, I'm a chef here in central Mississippi, which means I am in meat country. I'm so far into meat country that I grow my own meats here. I get really excited on growing my own proteins, pigs, ducks, there's chickens, there's cows, there's sheep. So we really get into it. So I've got a challenge from a good buddy who was like, you know what? I don't think you could do vegan. How can you possibly make vegan food taste good? So I'm here to taste 5 of Amazon's top vegan products and try my best, maybe, to make some of them palatable. 4th item, get my Vanna White on, jackfruit. Now, jackfruit's very versatile, I hear. I don't know anything about jackfruit. I live in Mississippi. Jackfruit is just something that we don't have here. So the idea of using it towards different things and changing its textures and all that, that's completely out of what my usual realm is. So you're really about to get my first taste of jackfruit. So, it smells like artichoke hearts or bamboo shoots. I guess I was thinking it was gonna be a little bit fruitier. Now, one of the top things that I've seen it used for is like a chicken salad substitute, which we're about to make. It kind of does. Has the texture of a mushroom, flavor of cheap artichoke hearts. Gives you a little recipe on the back though for chicken salad. So let's make it. So we're gonna go with exactly what's on the can. Add this in here until it starts to separate. Let's get our veggies together. I'm a sucker for a good chicken salad. So I'm kind of anxious on this one. I don't know if this is quite gonna pass. Good news about being outside in the garden, you can just kind of toss it over to the side. Just gonna go to compost. Get us a little green onion. So essentially what we did is we got jackfruit, boiled it in here with a vegan court bouillon, basically non-chicken flavoring. And then we cooked the jackfruit till it was tender in that. Now we're going to mash it up. Kind of does look like chicken salad. I'll give it that. Probably could have cooked it just a slight bit more. There we have it. Let's give it a taste. It does look like chicken salad, I'll give it that. You know? That's not half bad. The mustard really helps bring it through. I'd eat that. I'd sit down on a Tuesday night and eat that. Put on a little bread. Yeah. Good. Hey. So first off, on looks,
Okay.
does it look like chicken salad?
It looks like crab salad.
Looks like crab salad?
Crab salad. Yeah. And you got the chunks of meat in it.
Okay.
Like it's stringier. Like you know when the okay, let me explain myself. Like when I see chicken salad, I either see shredded chicken
Okay.
or the chicken chunks.
Okay.
Okay. And then here, like, look at those long pieces, those long string pieces.
Yeah.
That looks like what you would see in the crab meat.
Okay.
Like a longer stringy piece or a little chunk of, the leg. It's
Okay.
much whiter. It doesn't look, I mean, yeah, chicken salad, but no,
Okay.
crab salad.
Okay.
That's what I'm getting.
Okay. All right. I'll take that.
Okay.
I eat crab salad.
I mean, me too.
All right. Give it a taste.
What am I expecting here? Just like a plain Jane?
Yeah.
Like it's got flavor to it?
Yeah. Don't cheat.
That's just a chunk? I mean,
Yeah. Don't get a super big chunk.
I feel like it's that or onions. All right. Is that?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
I think this was pretty spot on.
Okay. Is it gonna taste like chicken salad?
Kinda, yeah. It's really like the second and third bite where it really started to kind of, oh, okay, I could eat that. Like on a Tuesday night,
Crab salad. That's what I'm getting.
getting crab salad.
I'm getting
I could
crab
probably
salad.
add more the vegan court bouillon to court bouillon to get the flavor that I need.
But see the texture, I'm getting crab.
Yeah, see that?
And it almost has that fishy taste to it. I'm not sure. The mayo, I don't know what the mix is. It's a little runny for me. Got some spice in there. Okay, well the spices, that's just you.
That's just me.
That's just you.
I like flavor.
I know. So, but overall, the texture, I'm getting crab salad. It's not awful. I would eat it with lettuce. I would eat it on a loaf of bread. Or, crackers and cheese and cucumbers, fresh sliced tomato.
Okay.
I would definitely eat it with something I could.
But you'd eat this again.
Yeah, I'd eat this again.
0 out of 10. What's my rating?
What's 10?
10 is perfect.
10 is perfect. Definitely not perfect. I'm saying about 4 or 5.
So mediocre.
Yeah.
Dang it.
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, I'd eat it if you served it to me, but it wouldn't be like, hey, I want that again moment.
On to the next dish.
But you set the bar high. You set the bar high. So I come in here and I expect, the best all the time. And I don't think it's not the flavors. Again, it's not the flavors. It's well, it is a little bit. It tastes like fish. And it has a texture of crab.
Yeah, I mean, it's
that's
fruit.
where I'm at.
Fruit.
That's just all I'm at. Other than that, yes, if I could get over the texture and that fish, there's something in that fishy. I don't know why.
It's the canned fruit.
The canned
flavor.
fruit. Okay.
The court bouillon hides it a little bit.
bouillon.
Court bouillon.
Canned bouillon. I get my moustache for that one. We will go français. All right, but no, that was good. I mean, if I was needing to go vegan for whatever reason, can't think of one, but like if all the chickens died in the world,
If every chicken died, you could eat
If all the chicken
that.
died in the world, I would eat it for sure.
Hey, it's above the grass, so we'll take it.
I think I would eat it. I would eat it before the jerky.
Okay, all right, hey. Win. I'll take it.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby.
You got it.
Jackfruit. Chicken salad.